Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to easily add a watermark to a Word document. So you want to give your document a professional touch or maybe protect it with a draft or confidential label? Watermarks are the way to go. So first open your Word document, then go to the Design tab at the top of your screen. So you'll notice a watermark button. Give it a click and a drop down menu will appear with some preset watermarks you can choose from. Pick the one that fits your purpose, whether it's a simple confidential or a custom image. So here we can choose here. For example, we will choose the confidential file. You have to click it and then it will appear on your document automatically once you're done clicking it. Let's say you want a more personalized touch. No worries, click on custom watermark at the bottom of the menu. Here, custom watermark. And then a new window will pop up allowing you to choose between text or picture watermarks. You can add your own text, select a font, adjust the size, and even change the color. So if you're going for a picture watermark, just browse and select the image you want. And once you've set up your watermark, click apply and your watermark will now appear behind your document's text, adding that extra layer of professionalism and protection. And that's it. You now know how to add a watermark to your Word document. It's a quick and easy way to make your documents stand out or keep them secure. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to add a watermark to a Word document. See you on my next video.